Hi, I'm coming to you with another positive discipline tool. This one is compliments, otherwise known as appreciations. Compliments and appreciations might seem relatively intuitive. They are a great way to foster community and a sense of belonging. When I have class meetings with my children at school, which we do once a week, we always start with a compliment or appreciation for someone else in the circle. It's always great to start a process with a compliment or appreciation because then if you have something hard to say, people are in a better mood, right? When you get a compliment or an appreciation, you feel valued and you feel like people are taking your work seriously, and you're much more likely to be able to hear any sort of criticism or change you need to make. That's true for anyone, no matter how old or how young. So, a good example of a compliment that I might give a child in the classroom at the meeting might be something like, I really appreciate how hard you worked on your lesson with me earlier. I saw it was hard for you, and I noticed that you kept working. I've also had children say things like, I really appreciate how you play with me at recess, or I notice how you help other children do lessons, and I want to say thank you for that. So they have a lot of really good ideas on their own, children do. I like to help them to, really focus on a quality of someone that's an internal quality or characteristic or something that someone did for them, rather than something you see, right? Like you don't really want to say, oh, I appreciate your beautiful dress, or I want to compliment you on your hairstyle today. That's not really what we do. We're really focusing on internal qualities. So some of the uh, examples on this card are I appreciate how quickly you get dressed and ready for school, right? So if you're staying at home with your children right now, you might say, I appreciate how quickly you got dressed and got ready for your online lessons. Or I appreciate how you worked on your homework even though you didn't want to, right? And it says, I notice how kindly you cared for your sister when she felt sad, and I bet it helped her feel better. And then just very simply, you can also just always thank your child or your partner, whomever, for doing something kind in the house, right? Like, thank you for setting the table. Thank you for filling the dishwasher. Thank you for washing the dishes after dinner. Thank you for getting me a glass of water when you saw I needed one. Sometimes it's easy to take people for granted, and everyone loves a nice compliment and appreciation. So I hope you put it into use. See you later.